Second grade Common Core Content Standard 2.md.a.2. Measure the length of an object twice using units of different lengths for the two measurements. Describe how the two measurements relate to the size of the unit chosen. This standard calls for something to be measured with two different units of measure. So, something like a crayon box might be measured using both inches and centimeters. This standard also requires that students know that depending on what unit is being used to measure the object, the measurements will come out differently. So for instance, if something is being measured by inches and then by centimeters, there will be more centimeters in the measurement than there will be inches because centimeters are smaller than inches. Here's an object to be measured. We'll line the end of the object up with a 0 on the ruler and notice that it is 5 centimeters long. We'll now move it down to the inches side of the ruler and notice that it is, after measuring an object with two different units of measure, students should be able to explain why there is more of one unit of measure than the other. So they should be able to explain that there are more centimeters used to measure an object than inches because centimeters are shorter than inches. Students may be asked to measure objects with non-standard units. Here we have a crayon box. The crayon box is 9 cubes tall. The crayon box is also 5 cloud shapes tall. It takes more cubes to measure the crayon box than it takes cloud shapes. So that means that the cubes must be smaller than the cloud shapes.